Hello, this is our spelling lesson 1-1. So we just talked about short vowel sounds, and now our spelling words are going to also have, it's going to reinforce some of those short vowel sounds that we were just talking about. So you are going to want to get out your spelling word cards. You're going to need some scissors, and the very first thing you're going to need to do is cut out all of these words. Now, before or after, that's up to you. You are going to need to read through each of these words. And number one, see if you know how to pronounce them. Number two, see if you understand what they mean. If you do not, that's okay, but we need to look up what the meaning of them so that you have some idea of what these words are about. So read through, pronounce, see if you understand what they mean, and then cut them out. That's the first step. So go ahead and pause the video and do those things. All right, so now you are ready for the next step. You have cut your words out, you've read them aloud, and you've discussed the meaning if you didn't know it before. Now what we're going to do is I want you to find, so piece through all those little cards, and I want you to find the word grasp, energy, swift, wobble, and numb. And I want you to put them as a header just like mine. So go ahead and place those just like mine on the screen. Pause the video and do that. All right, you've got your 5 words up. And now we're going to take a look and we're going to categorize the rest of our words under these columns here based on the sound that the vowel makes. So I'm also going to find the word frantic. So you are going to find the word frantic, okay? And I'm just going to do an example for you. So I'm going to start by sorting the word frantic, the short vowel sound. And I know it's a short A sound. So I'm going to go across the columns and see which column it would go in. So grasp, that's a short A. Frantic, okay, maybe. Energy, okay, that would be a short E. Frantic, do they sound the same? Does that vowel sound the same? Swift, frantic, wobble, frantic, numb, frantic. Which column do you think, if frantic has a short A, which column do you think that would go under? Go ahead and put it there. Okay, if you thought, okay, it has a short A, which I know the word grasp also has a short A, you would be correct. Frantic goes under the word grasp because they both have the short A sound. You are going to continue to do this with the remaining number of your cards. After sorting, you are going to have a partner. You're going to talk through that with a partner. If you're at home, you can have a parent check, or you can just look at it yourself and then ask yourselves these questions. What short vowel sound do you hear in the column? And what spelling patterns in this column, like what spelling patterns are there that are shared? So pause the video, go through, move all your cards under the correct spots, and then ask yourself these 2 questions. Go ahead and pause it. All right. This means that you guys have already sorted all of your spelling cards and you've checked them. So once you believe they're in the correct column, go ahead and find a piece of notebook paper and write your columns down and all the words that are underneath them, and then that's what you will turn into so that I can check it also, okay? Make sure that you check your spelling because this is spelling. Okay, bye guys.